This is the new Pinch Perfect Pro, and today we're gonna go over a tutorial on how to use it. A couple features to mention before getting into the tutorial. This tool has 2 tabletop points as well as the hinge, so you can set it on the table. When you're wrapping, tape your tumbler a little bit easier. It also has extended, thicker, and curved pinch handles, so it's easy for anybody to get a good pinch. And then we also made this tool with a perfect 20-ounce skinny tumbler shape. That way you can get the tightest wrap possible on all your 20-ounce skinny tumblers. Okay, so we have the tumbler semi pre-wrapped. We're gonna take the tool, place it about halfway in the tumbler, and then we're gonna pull over and then pinch. And because of the perfect 20-ounce shape, you're gonna get a super tight wrap. Also, because of the tabletop points, you can leave it on the table and it is not going anywhere, so we're gonna keep it there. With the tape, you wanna make sure it's pinched and then try to tape as close as you can to the side of the tool where it's gonna be the tightest. So we're gonna get that piece there. Gonna pinch again, get it close to the side of the tool. Pull down. Now we have the 2 most important pieces taped. You have the option, if you want, you can take the tool off and then move it to another side and then pinch it to get it even tighter. Or you can just leave it in the middle and it will stay closed, leaving your hands free. So then you can focus on getting the tight taping on the other sides of the tumbler. Whichever one works best for you. If you have enough pieces with the Pinch Perfect, take it off, put it aside, and then you can tape the rest by hand, however you want to do it. And then put your tumbler in the heat press. In regards to 20-ounce skinny tumblers, this is the best tool and the most efficient tool we have for 20-ounce tumblers, 20-ounce skinny tumblers. So if you have one, you're using one, hope you enjoy it, hope it works well for you, and thanks for watching this video.